In this video, I will show you how to set up recurring payments on Trading 212. So to set up a recurring buy, you will need to use a pie. Now that doesn't mean that you need to invest in a bunch of different companies or ETFs. What you can also do is just create a pie with just one investment. Or if you already have a pie, what you can simply do is head over to that pie. And then from within the pie settings, scroll down and then you will see auto invest. Now for me it's currently off, but if I click on auto invest right here, what I can now do is select how much I want to invest. So initial deposit, let's say I want to do 100, and then I can do a monthly contribution. I can do every 2 months, 2 weeks, weekly, or even daily. And then here you can click update and choose how much you want to do, in this case per day. So let's say 10 euros per day. And then from there you can just add a time frame. That doesn't mean that you need to do it for that amount. It just shows you a projection at the top for that time frame. But for example, I'll just say 5 years. From there you can do the distribution as self-balancing or by the targets of your pie. So do whichever one you prefer. Then from there click next. And then you want to click fund pie, and from there you need to then deposit money, and then after that you can then deposit 10 euros daily, and that will then automatically be invested into your pie. So that's how to set up recurring payments on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.